Hi viewers, welcome to Lakshmi's Vegan Kitchen. Today I am going to show you guys how to make a vegan peanut curd. I have 3 ingredients here: peanuts, 1 green chilli and water. Okay, let's get into the process. First, I took 1 handful of peanuts, which is 100 grams, and soaked in water for 4 to 5 hours. Now I am draining the water and I am putting the peanuts into the mixie to grind. Now I am going to use 1 cup of water for grinding. Now the paste is ready. I am transferring the paste to the vessel which I am going to use for boiling. Now I am adding 3 cups of water, 250 ml each, to make it dilute. Boil it till the raw smell goes off, which is 10 to 15 minutes. Now let it cool until it is warm. Now it's warm enough. I'm going to remove the stalk and I'm slitting it like this and just stir it. And close it with a lid.